Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have learned about the two kinds of roots of plants. One is fibrous root and another one is taproot. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the stem. What is stem? What is the function of stem? How are its parts? The stem grows above the soil. Always look at this picture. The stem grows. This is the standing thing of a plant. It is a standing. One standing part is given here. A thick part. It is called a stem. How is grown from the soil? The stem grows above the soil from the phenomenon of the sprouting seeds. The part which is grown under the soil, that is called a radicle, that we learnt in the previous video. And one part is come out from the seed, it is called a plumule, and that green part is grown gradually, that converted into stem also, that is called a plumule. As the sprout grows, the length of the stem gradually increases. There are nodes on the stem. Look at here, I will mark. There are nodes on the stem. Look at here, small tiny holes, which is known as the binding type of holes are called nodes. Now look at here, the part of the stem between the two nodes is called an internode. I will show you. The part of the between two nodes are called internode. I will show you. This is called the internode. The tip of the apical end of the stem is called a bud. This is called a bud. Okay, students, this is the bud. This is the bud. Observe the branch of the plant, of any plant, and identify its different stems as per their diagram. Look at here, there is a bird also. There is a bird also. You can observe the different part. You can see all these birds. This is a bird. With the help of these birds, the leaf is growing. The leaves are growing, and with the help of these internodes, all the leaves and other tiny stems are grown forward. Now let's see this chart. There are some name of the plants: sugarcane, fenugreek, and if you want to observe the another plant, you can write the name of this plant also. Sugarcane, थिकनेस ऑफ सरकम्फरेंस ऑफ द नोड की गोलाई, आपको गोलाई मापनी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेप, एंड लेंथ ऑफ दिस internode. What I said you before, what is internode? The part between the two nodes, it's called a internode. Okay, students, so observe these two plants with your different example and complete this chart. Students, now let's move to the next important part of a plant is the leaf. Leaves grow from the nodes. Look at here, leaves. Before I told you, leaf grows from the nodes. These are the nodes. Leaves grows from the node of a stems. Okay, now Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. All of you know all leaves we can see in green color. Some leaves you can see with some yellow color, some red color, but they have there some reason. The broad spread out part of the leaf is called a leaf blade. When you keep your leaf on your palm and please touch its over surface, that touching surface of a leaf is called a leaf blade or lamina, and its edge is called the leaf margin. I will show you. Listen here. This is the leaf blade. This is complete part, a green part you can see. When you touch the surface of a leaf is called a leaf blade and lamina. And this is the leaf margin. Look at the leaf margin here. With the help of diagram, we can see different parts of a leaf margin. The leaf margin is always sharp. This is the leaf apex. These are the tiny veins. Look at the tiny vein. Only vein. The main vein is which is coming from the node. With the help of petiole, the mid vein is grown of the leaf. Look at the stapule. Stapule is also given there. These two tiny leaf-like small part growing from the node are the stapule, and the leaf base is grown from the point of a node. So this is the all description of the one single leaves. Now there are some 3 types of leaves. These are single leaves. One type is entire leaves, second type is dented leaves, and third type is lobed leaves. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. It may be tapering, pointed or rounded. Leaves of some parts have a stalk called a petiole. Most of the students getting confused between the stalk and the petiole. Both are the same thing. This part of a leaf is called stalk or petiole. Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called a leaf base. Small leaf-like structures may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Okay, beta. Now let's learn the 2 different parts of the leaves. There are 2 different types of leaves. Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade, and some plants have divided into many small parts. With their leaf blade, they are called leaflets. So the plants which have single undivided leaf blade, they are simple leaves. Look at here. This is the example of simple leaves. Okay. Now the example of curry leaves, the example of neem leaves are considered to be compound leaves. Look at here, compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaves are the two types of leaves. Now listen, students, here. Observe the branch of a plant like rose, neem, coriander, hibiscus. In the different plants, the arrangement of the leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, opposite, whorled, spiral, etc. According to shape, leaves are rounded, palmate, lanceolate, and linear, etc. Now listen here, there are different types of leaves are there. So in the box you have to draw the special leaf that you can see in your surrounding to draw here. Student, we are stop here. The rest of we will learn in the next video. Thank you.